100. Oh, way they go. Chase Charlie from the outside. Euromax down on the inside. Sole Provider. In between runners. Moonraker. Levy also rushing up. On the further outside, Bebo, Real Excellent has it coming. And Smart and Noble. Sole Providers now the leader. Levy in second. Euromax racing on the outside. Third, Real Excellent. Moving up by the Chase Charlie on the outside. And Bebot. It's the Sole Provider, Lavi, Euromax on the outside, Real Excellent down on the inside, and Chase Charlie as they race the final corner. Three runners fighting it out for the lead, Euromax, Real Excellent down on the inside, in between runners, Lavi. It's now Real Excellent, Euromax on the outside, and Lavi, Real Excellent by about 3 lengths now. And finally, Real Excellent, Euromax, Lavi, Moonraker, Smart and Noble, and Chase Charlie for your Super 6.
75439.